Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Fell off the wall and he banged his head. Had to go home and go to bed. He had to go home and go to bed. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Fell off the wall and he counted to 10. Then he got up on the wall again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then he got up on the wall again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. His mother and father and all of his friends said, "Don't get up on the wall again. Don't get up on the wall again." So Humpty Dumpty sat on the floor. He didn't get up on the wall anymore. Humpty Dumpty sat on the floor. He didn't get up on the wall anymore. He didn't get up on the wall anymore.
In the line. Where did you put the pencil? In there. Where? In there. There. Yeah. Yes? Yeah. Me? I'm playing for my food. Okay na yung kamay mo. Diba like this lang kasi? Like only? Like that lang? See, it's nice pa? Come on. Come on. Me? Excuse me. No. I will not put this one. Okay. Good boy. Okay. Ay, no that's the assignment of Mana. You will use yellow? Yes? No. Not too long. Small only. Small only, Manang. Short only. Not too long. No. Me? Oh, see? Told you. Small only. Hala ko. Oh, here na. Mama B. Baby B. Kan na. Small only. Short only. Short only. Short only. This one na lang is the pencil. Use this one na lang. Use na lang this one. This one na lang. Pencil. Me? Small only here na, oh. No. Write your name. Come na. Okay na, Mama V. Where will you go?
Janice, kumain kayo.
Opo.
Janice, kumain kayo. Ikaw, kumain ka na, lalo na ikaw.
Kana?
Ka na?
See? Show that nga to, Mama. Look, oh. Cut here. No,
Wow!
Wow!
Plan.
Plan.
Nice.
Nice.
is crayon. Doon na yung assignment. This one na lang. Last na lang this one. You will eat na rice and soup.
Yung boy, na muna. Ito yun.
You boy, eat na muna because later you won't have time anymore.
Later. After you take a bath, come na you
Eat
eat
na.
rice.
I want to show this to Miguel.
Ay, you want to show it to Miguel. Okay.
Ako na!
Oh. Here. Put it here. The hair of
Don't
Adin.
shout,
Here, oh.
Don't shout, ah?
Here.
Oh!
Oh.
Onto the other one.
Here, oh.
Not me, Mom. The black one.
Diyan. They're all inside.
Sabi ko nga ito.
Please.
Ay!
Hi, Miguel.
Hi,
Say hi to
Miguel.
Mama. Good morning, Mama. Say good morning.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
A kiss. Okay, kiss.
Ah!
Kiss na.
Bless, bless, bless.
Oh,
Bless na.
bless, bless, bless.
Oh. Hug also. Hug. Hug.
One.
Say love you,
This
Mama.
one.
Sige na, ah.
That.
La.
I love you, Miguel.
I love you, Miguel. No. No.
Now. Now.
No.
Ano?
No.
Miguel, look at me. Wow!
Wow.
Look at me.
Yeah. Wow. Look. Bagay. Nice.
Nice.
Hindi na kailangan mo.
Ay, yan na yung liyoto. Hindi na kailangan bumili.
Wow. Oh,
Wow. Oh, you will fix your hair, ha? Nice, ah. Can you stand up there? Hindi maluwang. Hindi
Maluwang. Maluwang.
This one?
maluwang.
This one, Gab? Ito po yata yung
Falling down
skirt.
your skirt.
Falling down your skirt? Ha?
Garter po kasi.
Pero hindi na mahulog sa kanya.
Pero hindi nahulog sa kanya.
Oo, nahulog.
Oo,
Hindi
nahulog.
naman po nahulog.
Hila siya ng hila
Eh,
pa.
hila siya ng hila pa. Taas na. Ay,
Yes,
nyo kaya.
Kaya,
Kuya.
Ayaw na niya tanggalin.
huwag naman yan.
Iya mo. Huwag nang madumi yan.
Gabriel, leave, go and eat na muna.
Gabriel, leave, go and eat na muna. Tsaka yung ano, ha?
Yung black na shorts gamitin niya.
Yung black na shorts gamitin niya.
Opo.
Kumain ka na talaga?
Kumain ka na talaga?
Kumain ka na talaga?
Opo,
Kumain
kumain
ka
na
na
po.
talaga?
Sabay kami natin, Janet.
Eh ano, si Alihi na
Eh ano, si Ali na
Si Ali,
nagbibihis
hindi
na
ko
rin.
po alam.
Di ba?
Ah.
Suot lang naman. Tapos
Di ba, Le? Ang susot lang naman, tapos alis sa kayo.
Oh, you give that